northeastbound. Look for Kodiak traffic. Should be joining a 5-mile final momentarily.
Copy, we're right behind them, 0 Mike.
And November 9er Victor Mike, left there at the end, contact ground point 4.
Alright, left at the end, over to ground, 95 Victor Mike.
November 39er Juliet, proceed on course, runway 21, clear for takeoff.
39er Juliet, on course, 21, clear for takeoff.
November 05 Mike, follow that Kodiak, and you are number 3, runway 21, cleared, touch and go, make right clear traffic. Not so, you wanted a full stop, correct?
Hey, for full stop.
Correction 05 Mike, follow the Kodiak, you are number 4 actually, runway 21, clear land.
Follow the Kodiak, number 4, and we're 21, clear land, 0 Mike.
Portuguese 00, you're number 3, following Cessna traffic. Actually, disregard, number 3 Alpha Alpha, cancel landing clearance, make a left 360.
We already did that, sir, no left 360, 413 Alpha.
Full time.
And 4300, you're number 2, following Cessna traffic, on about a 3/4 mile file. They're touch and go runway.
Beach is green. Airspeed's line.
Number 2, 4300.
November 3 Alpha Alpha, your traffic is actually a Mooney. They squared out a little bit to about a 4, maybe a 5-mile final. We'll place a Mooney inside.
How about we can get there now on left 360 north, we can extend down one side. I don't know, it looks like they're still 5 miles out to the northeast, 413 Alpha. Visual tower now 39.2 Papa Alpha, Virtual runway 21, ready for departure, shield head above.
Dinosaur 892 Papa Alpha, Briscoe Tower, hold short runway 21, landing and departing aircraft.
Hold short 21, 2 Papa Alpha.
Good day.
Yeah, 1 Bravo Tango, have a good one.
Cessna 3 Alpha, make a left 360 for a couple of departures.
You got it, sir, left 360, 413 Alpha.
November 4 Bravo Whiskey, left on Bravo 3, and then contact ground point 4 for your taxi back.
Bravo 3, contact ground, left 3 full Bravo.
Mooney 920, 5 Mike, Briscoe Tower, you up and ready? Guidance 2 Papa Alpha, left turn course to the east, runway 21, clear for takeoff.
Left turn course to the east, runway 21, clear for takeoff, 2 Papa Alpha.
Mooney 90205 Mike, Briscoe Tower, you up and ready?
Yes, sir, up and ready, 0 Mike.
205 Mike, hold short runway 21, we're trying to go there.
Hold short 21, 0 Mike. Alpha 413 Alpha Alpha, and number left 360 for us.
Okay, Alpha Alpha, no, just continue on the down, I'll call your base. I should be able to get these guys out on a regular base.
Roger, sir, or continue downwind because the base, and we're going to be making a full stop once you call back, second 413 Alpha 1.
Okay, Alpha Alpha, Roger, the wind is 160 at 7, you want to continue for 21 or go for runway 9er?
We can circle here back to runway 9er 413 Alpha 1.
Runway made, power out. Flaps up.
You're probably continue down the runway left on Alpha 3 and then contact ground point 4. Good day.
Down the runway, Alpha 3, contact ground point 4, 205, thank you.
My crosswind.
Good morning. Cardinal 30615, runway 21, ready for takeoff.
Cardinal 30615, Brooksville Tower, good morning. Make a right downwind departure to the northeast, runway 21, clear for takeoff.
Okay, clear for takeoff, departure to the northeast. Cardinal 3615.
November 39er Juliet, runway 21, clear to land.
39er Juliet 21, clear to land, full stop.
And Virtual Town Birding 920 Mike, hold short 21 at Bravo 1, ready for the second, another go.
Mooney, 90205 Mike, Brooksville Tower, hold short only 21, we're going to release.
Hold short 21, Mike.
Number 17 Zulu left on Alpha 3, contact ground point 4, good day.
Alpha 3 over to ground 17.
We have my numbers, full carby. Full power back, 1700. Maintain altitude, slow down. One 1,000, 2 1,000, 3. Good. Miles per hour. Oh, 1,000, 2 1,000. Take on those flaps. On power, we're high. A little bit of a left crosswind, so left aileron, right rudder.
Cardinal 615, route change crew to the northeast, we'll talk to you later.
Here comes our sink.
Brooksville Tower, Cessna 3543 Golf is about 10 nautical miles to the north and down full stop.
Cessna 3543 Golf, Brooksville Tower, the
Runway
runway
made.
1406, altimeter
Power out.
018. You can have runway 21 or runway 9er.
Isaac, if that
Let me
runway.
just 543 Golf.
November 43 Golf, put midfield on the left downwind, runway 9er.
Roger, midfield left downwind, runway 9er, thank you, 43 Golf.
November 39 Niner Juliet, left on Bravo 3, contact ground point 4.
Left Bravo 3, ground 4, thanks.
Mooney 05 Mike, the wind is now 140 at 6. Fly the runway heading, maintain 2000, runway 21, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading 2000, clear to takeoff, 05 Mike. Tower 2840 Papa, hold short runway 21, ready for an eastbound departure.
2840 Papa, Rooksville Tower, the wind is 140 at 7. Mooney on the go is straight out. Left turn on course, runway 21, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 21, clear for takeoff, 40 Papa.